Hello everyone, Eric speaking. Today, again on day 2 of Build in Public, we are going to explore a new step of automation through our small robot which can automate messaging. So let's assume you are having a presence online on Nextdoor. I strongly suggest you are building a group so that all your messages are broadcasted within your group. So it creates a kind of a identity around your company, and you're always, most of the time, addressing the same topics. So let's say you are a broadcaster of news, you always broadcast your news within your group. If you are a massage salon, massage parlor, you always broadcast your information within that group. So it's easier for people to find you. You can have on top of your group some links back to your own business, the website. You can share more information, and people who are entering your group are, let's say, more qualified leads. So it's a way to create a more effective funnel within Nextdoor. So I'll show you right now a small video again of the process that has been created for our customer, and the video has disappeared, so let me get it back. Just a second. And here it comes with the demo. It should be coming anytime soon. Yeah. So the customer is basically launching his automation on a regular basis. We can schedule it like once a day or twice a day, and each time people join the group, there will be an request for joining the group. Here, for example, at this stage there are 7 pending membership requests, and I'm not touching the computer anymore. The video runs by itself. Let me see if I can lower that. Yes, correct. And the robot will go and click in the message request, approve it, and then automatically write the new message. So my computer is very slow. Somehow it's a bit laggy, but it's still okay. It's only the video that is laggy, not the board process. And basically say, welcome to my group. This is what I've achieved. Create a group of more 7,000 people. I've made a free video. If you want to join and learn how I did it, you can click the link, and this will be basically send this auto message to all new members of the group. So when you have visitors who just pass by and see your post, maybe they are not interested. If they are interested and join your group, that's a way of qualifying a lead from, let's say, cold to warmer. And this process will cycle through all new requested membership and send basically the same email. So an additional feature of this auto messaging system consists in using spin tags. Spin tags, for those who do not know that, is a way to make to randomize the message, so it's not a copy paste of always the same message. So on specific part of the message, the words will be randomly selected. So for the greeting, for example, the first line, once it will be saying hey, or the next one will be saying hello, or the next one will be saying bonjour in French, because the customer is French, and so on and so on. So that gives you, let's say, a better quality of sending message, but also avoids to be flagged as a robot on Nextdoor, which you want to avoid at all costs. So that gives you the result of a short video showing you how it's done on the automation part. So if you have any question about automation and how we do it and how we can implement it for your business, do not hesitate. If you like the video, leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more. Have a nice day. That was Eric. Take care.